So y'all gonna subscribe or you know you could put a little stank on that little subscribe button or whatnot. So you can buy these individual pigments from Makeup Forever. I go in with the yellow and I apply it all over my lid, mainly saturate in your crease. Then I go with this kind of like burnt, I guess, orange in a way, like a dusty orangish red. And I'm going in my crease just a little bit smaller with the same blending brush. Next, I go in with like a salmon color and I blend those two together, making sure everything looks very blended. This right here is more like a burgundy shade. I'm just gonna go in my corner crease and just apply a small circle and kind of like pack it in too. Now I don't put too much towards the beginning of my eye because then I'm just gonna have to blend it out more. I love these highly pigmented artist pigments from Makeup Forever. I got it from Sephora, so you know you can't go wrong with that. And then I just blend those two together with another type of blending brush. Next I'm going in with kind of like a sheer pink, like a sparkly, I guess. It's like more like bridal makeup. Sheer pink. Just kind of just lighten things up so it doesn't look so, I guess, not dark, but you know what I'm saying. Then I go in with the burgundy and kind of clean it up a little bit or make it even more saturated to bring it out. Next I go in with that purple with the flat brush and I just chisel it in small circles on the corner. Now the smaller you go, the more, I guess, packed in it is and the more it brings out the look too. Same thing when I do it with the black. That sheer pink, and then I'm just gonna put it on my brow bone just to, you know, give a little bit of highlight. This is e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm just going to apply it from the beginning all the way to the end and back to the front. A little bit of mascara, and yeah, that's pretty much my look. I did this in about 5 minutes and it was really easy. It only took like 3 or 4 colors really. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love y'all and keep it up.